Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to enable SMS notification reminders on Facebook. This feature is perfect for staying updated on important notifications, even when you're not actively using the app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand a submenu, and from there, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for a section titled Notifications. Tap on it to access all your notification preferences. Here, you'll see various categories for customizing how and where you receive notifications. Now, locate and tap on Reminders. This is where you can manage how Facebook sends you reminder notifications. To enable SMS notifications specifically, look for the toggle switch next to SMS and turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SMS notification reminders on Facebook. From now on, you'll receive reminders directly via text message, ensuring you never miss an important update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tutorials.